come outside when they be rap. We all in scat packs, we the fastest. 3-round burst, sound like it's lag. I ain't friendly, almost popped the fan up cause he tried to glitch through my phone and tried to stab me. Now I'm shooting shots at her daddy. Kill my nigga if he steal cause all he had to do was ask. We done cut the pint, boys, we hit a pint and seal it back. Cost so much they'll break up in my crib to spill a match. Play crazy, we throwing stones at a nigga, we a flag. YouTube, we finally made it to Ohio, man. Look at him, he's still sleepy. It's so early, like, for real, like, it's really early, but we done made it to the O. Go ahead, do our little thingy thing, bro. You woke, bro? You sure you woke? YouTube, tell this nigga good morning. Tell this nigga good morning. Say hi to the YouTube. Look, it's morning time. Everybody's still grumpy. But, yeah, I'm gonna tap back in when we get to Denny's. Cause I'm hungry. We gotta get some good eats, bro. Nah, bitch, I ain't pulling up. You gotta walk on fish. Yeah, you gotta walk on fish. Yeah, bitch, you gotta walk to bitch. I don't do the back and forth. That chopper bullets talk for me. See him with a micro ARP. You know that bitch was bought for me. Like Chris. Hey, vlog. Damn. Why birds walk so sexy? That bird walking sexy as hell. Nigga think he's sexy. We rolling, boys.
That's what I call that nigga.
Call that nigga. YouTube. We in the O with it, but I'm still tied in with the city, man. You know I got the real snipers.
Ha!
You feel me? Bro, now. Hey,
whooping this shit right now.
We trying to get this one dude on cam. This shit what? You don't even.
I can go to the this my hood.
Bro, you don't even be out here. These people. Yeah, he took a shit at Circle K while you was asleep. Bro, he did.
I got the video.
Bro, he did. TikTok. We got the good IHOP eats. Bro.
What she putting in that motherfucker? That bitch shoots so damn fast, cuz.
It's because it's that 1 pound.
Oh, that bitch It's tight. Don't hang it up.
Yeah, put on safe. There you go.
That bitch got some. I ain't showing you.
Hey, I'm finna shoot binary. And then I'm finna shoot.
Bro, it's fireman, bro. I'm not gonna stop when it gets there.
Hey, you done shooting that mini?
Yeah, you a Draco?
Yeah, let me shoot.
One, two, three.
New one up there? Which one is it? Let's do one shot Drake challenge. How you gonna have no more of these? Let me grab one box. Hey, Liz.
Hey, twin. Make sure you're correct.
That one shot Drake challenge though happened.
Man, you didn't try what to do is slide it.
I pressed the trigger. That bitch didn't go.
You weren't supposed to press the trigger, dummy. Listen, bro, I did like this.
I know, and I pressed that trigger. That bitch didn't go. I forgot.
Do it. Press that down and pull the trigger. It's gonna shoot. Good.
That bitch don't shoot like no regular blood.
It's not a regular.
So what's the difference? The butt?
Binary trigger. count. Count.
1, 2, 3.
I don't know how to shoot it like the switch yet. Let me show you how to shoot like the switch. Let me learn him something. Finna learn him something. Watch that. Look how dirty this bitch is.
I was gonna do that one shot Draco.
Look at this.
What do you do?
Nothing. I just don't never clean it.
I bet it's dirty.
Look that. This is how you get that motherfucker spit. You feel it? You feel it?
I don't feel it. I don't.
Oh, you don't feel it?
Alright, chill out, chill out, chill out.
Red dot, alright? One shot, red dot. Bro, one shot, red dot. You feel me?
Wait, how many shots? You doing that one shot shit too? So it's one on the table. Alright, good. Let's see. Hold on, wait. YouTube, listen, you see that once again? Listen, get this car. Let's see.
He missed. He didn't even hit the paper.
Miss like a mother.
A lot of great bodily damage. A lot of great bodily damage.
We can't take him no shootout. Tell me what this means. Look.
He gotta put that on YouTube. He gonna go fire.
Look, just look. Missing all the damn shots.
Nigga, I only shot 6 shots out of 6.
Look, Trey. One shot. You ready?
6 out of 2.
Oh, I missed, bro.
Trey,
you
just
stop watch.
Took his chest off.
No, it went past his shoulder. I keep hitting shoulder.
You missed it.
But I'm gonna shoot 2 this time.
I see both targets.
What's harder to aim? What's harder? It's not harder to aim than a mic truck. They gotta take this girl on her stop line. Bro, he said it's harder to aim.
What happened? What happened?
Let me show you guys something. This one here.
No, I
I'm hitting bodies and all types of stuff.
When you should know it.
Huh? I did to shoot this one. I left my thing at home with a 200 bullets in that motherfucker. I don't want to bite no more. You want to see me dump this motherfucker? Like jugular and all that gone.
How you shoot the paper off, dog?
He shot the paper off.
Drake, get your word. Oh my God.
That's the last one, huh? I don't need If only y'all knew how hot this was right now.
Okay, that's small.
Let me see what it is.
That guy don't think. Yeah, throw that away.